In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inner fender splash shield on this Mazda 6. This is the front one that sits right behind the wheel. Let's get started. To get the splash shield, this inner splash shield out, you're going to want to turn the wheel all the way, unless you want to remove the wheel, but turning it will give you plenty of space. There are 4 push clips in total. The only one that is difficult to get to is the one at the top corner there. You can still get to it if you have a trim tool like this, reach in behind the fender liner. Otherwise, you'll have to peel the fender liner back. It doesn't matter where you start, just remove all 4 push clips. There's basically one in each corner. To reinstall this, just slide it up into place. Make sure it gets tucked behind this fender liner. And once you have it lined up, install whichever push clip you can get to first, just so it can stay in place. There we go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.